What is Forex Trendy? Forex Trendy is a membership site wherein it scans all currency pairs on all time frames to find the best trend for you. What's inside the members area? No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install. Live charts of the best trending currency pairs and time frames. Audible alerts, email alerts. User-friendly interface. Optionally, you can select, deselect pairs or time frames from the auto analysis and more options. Quick overview of the trends on all time frames. Now a special bonus. Automated chart analysis, recognizing triangles, flags, wedges and trend lines on 34 currency pairs and all time frames. So, how do you find out which Forex pair and time frame is best to trade? Forex Trendy is a software solution to avoid trading during uncertain market periods. Instead, pick the best trending pair at the current time. It uses no indicators, but the trend is determined by pure price action. It quickly scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. That's 34 times 9 equals 306 charts. Forex Trendy analyzes all the charts for you every second. This way, you get the best trending pair and time frame at any time you want. The software runs on our powerful computers, so you instantly get the result online. Therefore, you can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, and there is nothing you have to download or install. It is very easy to use. The truth is that most Forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. For example, imagine you trade a system that makes 50% winning trades, but another 50% are losing trades. By following the trend, you would dramatically increase the odds of winning. If you increase the odds of winning by only 20%, that would make 70% winning trades and 30% losing trades. This can make the difference between losing, or breaking even, and winning. In other words, by following the best trend, it can only be better. Avoid struggling with the erratic market chaos when the trend direction is unclear. Take only confident trades in the best markets at the current time. Join now.